Hello everyone, Bug Whisperer here, and if you don't know what I'm doing in this YouTube series, I'm planning out a real life web development project. I'm writing every single functionalities from scratch, and then at the end of this series I'm going to deploy this project. So let's start with today's video. In our last video we created this header and we made it responsive. As you can see, if we inspect that, so for mobile devices the navigation items are gone and we have a burger menu. We also have this nice animation, and now what I want to do is when I'm clicking in this burger menu, I want a sidebar popping up, and in that sidebar we'll have those navigation items. So let's start. So first of all, this was our code. So this is our header and we have to edit that header. So first of all, we want to get rid of these styles. So let's go to our components. Here I will make a custom.styles.tsx and export constant. I will first of all get rid of this part. So we need a custom header, and that will be our styled header. We'll take styled and dot. I think style.header works. Yeah. So now inside that we want these two things. So height will be 100% and margin is 0 and 15 pixel. So height 100%, margin 0.15. we can get rid of this part, and instead of this we can say styled header. Nice. And we can get rid of that absolute path. So now it should work. Okay, it's working. Now what I should do is, okay, I need this group to be also height 100%. so this group actually contains all of our header items. So we need a styled header items. So let's do that. Styled header group, let's call this group styled, and inside that we want to import this. Okay, and now we want this height to be 100%, and we can do this and this. Okay, nice. So now we can get rid of this style as well. So let's get rid of that, and let's check if our so this is also working. Now let's start with our sidebar, and for our sidebar we're going to use Mantine Drawer, and let's just keep it somewhere around here. This drawer, the position of this drawer is absolute, so it doesn't matter where I put it, but since it's inside our header, it's a good practice to keep it inside our header. So let's drawer opened false on close. Let's keep it void. So now inside our drawer I also want a title, so let's keep a title, brand, and here our drawer will be opened when our burger is opened. So we can just our burger is closed, so we can just say, is this closed or opened? I think it's opened. And also whenever I'm closing that, I'm technically closing our burger. So that should work. Let's see. Yeah, and also I don't really want this part, so for our mobile devices I want this drawer to be 100%, so it will take like the full width. So let's go here and we can say, is it width or something else? Let's check. If we go to here, yeah, so it should be size. So size we can put 100%, and now, yeah, now it's 100%. We also want to like increase the size of this close button and also this brand, and overall we have to do a few stylings for our drawer. So I also want like styled drawer here. Export constant drawer. Okay, inside our drawer we need to change, or like we need to change the style of our brand and this close button. And if you go here inside our styles API, we can access these things. For example, this will handle our Mantine Drawer title. So let's go here and we can do this, and for that I want to increase the font size. So let's just say font size is 1.5 rem. Okay, it's not, oh by the way I have to use custom this style drawer, not this drawer. So yeah, now it looks fine. Now we have to change this close button, and for that we can use this Mantine Drawer close as well. So this drawer is not necessary anymore, and here I will make this bigger by using transform scale 1.5. yeah, that looks good enough. So yeah, that looks fine. Now inside our brand we have a few sections just like we had in our app shell. For example, here we have app shell header, app shell main, app shell footer, stuff like that. We have those things for our drawer as well. And if we go here, we can see, I think, let's just go down a little bit. Yeah, so we have this few things. First of all, we have this drawer header, we have this drawer body, but I kind of feel like they are not necessary. We can just list those things. So inside our drawer we can say blah blah blah, and we have this blah 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 here, and instead of that we want a box, and we basically want a list. So let's say margin top will be 30. So this is our list. So here we'll have those navigation items, so we can just copy this and we can paste here. Okay, so they're all right. We definitely don't want, like, we have to change these things at some point. So for now that's pretty much it. We made this, you know, custom sidebar, and when I'm doing this we don't have that drawer anymore. So yeah, that's that. Now in our next video, I'm going to remove these texts and I will have another file, and there I will keep our navigation items. I'll also import or like install routers, and we'll change these static items into beautiful navigation links. So until then, thank you so much. Have a good day. Goodbye.